Welcome to this project-based Linux shell scripting course. Hello, my name is Jason Cannon, and I've helped thousands of people just like you level up their careers by teaching them valuable in-demand Linux skills. I'm so passionate about Linux that I've written several best-selling books on the subject and even founded the Linux Training Academy. One of the biggest complaints I hear from students is that most of the courses they've taken in the past simply provide information without any context and without any idea of how to put that information to use. This course turns that old, frustrating, and outdated way of learning on its head. It's project-based, which means instead of learning bits and pieces of information, you'll write actual shell scripts that you can use in real-world situations. You get the chance to immediately put what you learn into use so that you fully understand and, more importantly, remember it. In this course, you'll start out by learning some very important and fundamental shell scripting principles, such as how to name your shell scripts, what file permissions your shell script should have, how to create and use variables in your scripts, and the difference between shell built-in commands and operating system commands. From there, you'll learn what special variables are available to you in your scripts and how to use them. We'll also cover how to make decisions by using if statements, performing several different kinds of tests, and checking exit statuses of various commands. Next, you'll learn about cryptographic hash functions as well as how to create random data so that you can do things like automatically generate strong passwords for user accounts. Of course, you'll need to know how to perform the same action or the same set of actions over a series of data, so we'll cover for loops, while loops, and infinite loops. Input and output topics will be taught in detail, such as how to accept standard input from a user as well as from another program, how to redirect standard output and standard error, how to combine standard output and standard error, command pipelining, and even text and string manipulation. Finally, you'll be taught about arguments, positional parameters, and special parameters so that you can allow users to pass in data to your shell scripts. And those are just the highlights. You'll learn even more along the way. This course was designed specifically for people who already have some Linux command line experience and are ready to take things to the next level with Linux shell scripting. Linux administrators, software developers, or anyone who works on the Linux command line will benefit from this course. Most importantly, this course was designed for those who learn best by doing and get the most from a hands-on approach. If you're new to Linux or have never used the Linux command line before, this course is not for you. Feel free to take one of my introductory courses on Linux, such as Learn Linux in 5 Days, and then come back when you're ready to start automating tasks with shell scripting. Also know that this course is Linux specific. Even though there are a lot of similarities and crossover between scripting for Linux and other operating systems such as Mac, Solaris, AIX, HPUX, and so on, we will not be covering those other operating systems. Again, this course focuses on Bash shell scripting for Linux systems. So if you're looking for some direction, learn by doing, and are ready to level up your Linux shell scripting skills, join me and the other students in the course today by enrolling now.